The lower flexible drive shaft transfers power from the engine unit to the trimmer attachment. The ends on the cable are formed square and attached to fittings in both the coupler and the gearbox. The most common problem with the drive shaft is wear to the square ends, which causes them to slip. If the tool is overloaded, the cable can be kinked. Replacing the lower drive shaft is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the trimmer attachment from the engine unit. Now I'll remove the gear head from the lower shaft. First I'll remove the anti-rotation screw. And then loosen the clamp screws. With the gearhead assembly removed, now I can remove the flexible shaft. Now I can install the new cable. I insert it through the bottom of the lower shaft. Now reinstall the gearhead. Make sure the shaft aligns with the gearhead and it seats firmly. I'll reinstall the anti-rotation screw. And I'll finish up by reattaching the trimmer attachment. And now you can replace the lower flexible drive shaft on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.